A comprehensive new study reveals a concerning link between the consumption of red meat and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Conducting a thorough examination over more than 3 decades, researchers at Harvard University monitored 216,695 participants via dietary questionnaires. Astonishingly, they documented 22,761 cases of type 2 diabetes during the study's duration. The findings were stark. Those who indulged in the highest quantities of red meat faced a 62% higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes in comparison to those who consumed it sparingly. What's more, a significant revelation emerged. Simply substituting one daily serving of red meat with nuts or legumes resulted in a 30% reduction in the risk of type 2 diabetes. The red meat predicament. While previous studies have hinted at the connection between red meat and type 2 diabetes, this latest research, owing to its immense scale and extensive sample, significantly bolsters the statistical certainty of this link. Zhao Gu, the primary author, emphasized the importance of these findings, stating, "Our findings strongly support dietary guidelines that recommend limiting the consumption of red meat, and this applies to both processed and unprocessed red meat." Understanding type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic metabolic condition characterized by elevated levels of blood glucose. This condition emerges when the body becomes insulin resistant or produces insufficient insulin. The World Health Organization has noted a steady increase in the number of type 2 diabetes cases and its prevalence over the past few decades, making it a significant global public health concern. Beyond the burden it places on individuals and healthcare systems, type 2 diabetes also serves as a major risk factor for conditions like cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, cancer, and dementia. Advocating for plant-based diets. The study's results underscore the positive impact of transitioning to a plant-based diet. The researchers also point out the environmental benefits, as vegan protein sources come with lower greenhouse gas emissions. As the body of research supporting the advantages of plant-based diets continues to grow, the compelling evidence of a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes could offer additional motivation for governments to promote a shift towards plant-based food systems. This not only benefits individual health, but also contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future.